You don't do your homework.
Exactly.
Yes.
Get off.
It was due 2 days ago?
No. You guys don't get it today.
No. Okay, so let's plot these points. How would you go to -2, -4? Just put it right here in the stack.
You
Come
would
on.
go down 2.
No. Left 2 and then?
Down 4. Down 4. My bad.
Awesome. Okay, and then how do I get to -1, -1?
Left 1, down 1.
Awesome. 0, 0.
0, 0.
The origin, just stay there. 1, -1.
Go right 1, down 1.
2, -4.
Go right 2, down 4.
Cool. Now, which coordinate is our vertex?
The origin.
0, 0. And again, who can remember how we tell by looking at the T-table?
It's the only one that doesn't repeat.
The one that doesn't repeat, the one that's in the middle. It may not always be in the middle, so it's the one that doesn't repeat. Yes.
Is that sheet that you want us to glue in our notebook?
What?
You made us
Oh yeah,
put
the
glue.
one you said you were gonna print off. We write glue.
I did print that off. Can we do that in a minute? Bronson, why did you...
Hashtag here.
Okay. Now, how many zeros do we have on here? 1. And our 0, where it crosses the x-axis, is at 0, 0. Where's our y-intercept? Where does it cross the y-axis? At the origin. And what's our axis of symmetry? X equals 0. All right, go over to 34b.
Oh, that's all we gotta do.
Yeah. It's not magic.
I mean, I want you guys to do
You could have come to 0 period to get your notes and to watch the video.
I can't wake up that early. I just can't do it.
You can't.
I can't. Like, as a growing boy.
All right, graph each quadratic. And then that's it. Thank you, boys. Yeah. All right, so the first one that we're going to graph is going to say y equals x squared plus 2. Now, what is different about this problem than the ones we did yesterday?
Yeah, the
As a plus 2. So what do you think is going to happen to this graph?
Gonna make it less sense.
It's going to be positive, but our x squared, it was on the origin, correct?
Correct.
If we add 2, what are we going to do to all those points?
Oh, we're gonna add 2.
It's going to go up how many? Look at you go. All right, let's plug it in and see. What numbers do we use every time to plug in?
-0, 1, 2. -0. -1, 0, 1, 2.
-2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Good. Now, after today, we won't have calculators anymore, so you're going to have to know what -2 squared is. What is -2 squared?
Negative 4.
Positive 4.
5.
And what's 4 plus 2?
6.
Positive 6. All right, what's -1 squared?
1.
And what's 1 plus 2?
3.
Awesome. What's 0 squared?
0.
What's 0 plus 2?
2.
What's 1 squared?
1.
And what's 1 plus 2?
3.
What's 2 squared?
6.
What's 2 squared?
4.
What's 4 plus 2 is 6. All right, which one of those do you think is our vertex?
0, 2.
Why?
Because it doesn't repeat
It
itself.
doesn't repeat.
Beautiful.
It's the middle of the
But what if it was right here? So we're going to have some that's going to shift.
Oh, okay.
Okay? Dylan, please get off your phone. All right, let's go to -2, 6. How do I get there?
So let's
Go
go.
left 2, down 6. Up 6.
Good thing I didn't listen to you, huh?
Nope. I mean, yep. I mean, yeah, sure.
Now, do I connect those dots with a U or with a V?
V.
A U.
Oh my
A parabola is a U. Curve it at the bottom, and it is very important because those are two different graphs. Alright, where's my vertex this time?
It's that 0, 2.
0, 2. This is my vertex. So did we just shift all of our points up from our original one that we graphed?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's all we did. Now this graph right here is called your parent function.
Oh,
Your parent is what creates you.
yeah. This-
So this function creates all the other functions that we're going to do with quadratics. So this is our parent function or our parent quadratic. It is very important that you know that. It is very important that you know that. So where did x squared plus 2 shift the parent function?
Up to.
Up to. What's that? Okay. She's not talking to you.
Yeah.
She's not talking to y'all. Is she? Thank you. No worries. All right, let's see what would happen if we did y equals x squared minus 3. What do you think that one's going to do?
Go down.
It's going to go down to. Down how many? 3. Good, because I said 2 because I'm a crazy person.
We know you're crazy. 7.
Are we ready to plug in, or do we need a mo?
No.
Hustle up, buttercups.
Who got you like a read a moment?
I did.
Say moment. Yeah, moment. Not that much effort.
All right, what is negative 2 squared? And what's 4 minus 3?
1.
Awesome. All right, what's negative 1 squared? What's 1 minus 3? Negative 2. What's 0 squared?
0.
0 minus 3?
Negative 3.
What is happening?
What?
Yeah, we don't know how to add and subtract. Y'all are scaring me. What's 1 squared? 1 minus 3?
Negative
2 squared?
4.
4 minus 3?
1.
All right, what's our vertex this time?
0, negative 3.
Okay. Why?
No.
It doesn't repeat. Does your graph look like this?
Yeah.
Did it move it down 3?
Yeah.
Can you leave it cracked, Jacob? That way we don't have to keep. All right, well, it moves down 3, correct? Now, how do you think we could make our graph skinnier?
What do you mean?
Like, how could we make these points come closer together? Like, how far apart are our points right here from the axis of symmetry?
2.
Okay, and how about over here?
2.
How about right here?
2.
1, and right here?
1.
Because this is our axis of symmetry. So how could we make it squeeze in or go wider?
Take 1 away. Or add 1.
If we added 1, we move it up 1.
This problem, right?
So C goes with H. I'm going to have to look at that one. What number is that?
11.
Okay, thank you.
Please subtract.
So she's going to do it, just change it?
Put a star by it. Alright, but if we subtracted it, moved it down. So we've added, it moves it up. We've subtracted, it moves it down. What would we have to do to make it skinnier or wider?
Wait, multiplying.
Look at you go. Multiply or divide, which is what you're going to do today. Now, you are going to use the same numbers, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2, and you're just going to plug it in. Now, square it first, and then multiply by the number out front. Can you handle that? Okay, if you don't finish, it is your homework, but I should be back before you leave me. And it's just 6 problems. Does anybody have any questions?
No.
Okay.
Okay.